What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing my fidgets. I got new ones. So first, yellow poppet. You've probably seen this. I traded my pea popper. You probably know, but yeah, my pea popper was awesome. But now I got this little ball solving thing. Gotta make it like that. And then you have, I'm doing my worst ones where you gotta try to get this in the hole. Yeah. So, I like it. Next is a Rubik's Cube. Actually, hold on. I have 3 Rubik's Cubes. These are my best ones. So close to solving it. Yeah. So yeah. Next I have a Slinky. Next I have a lot of wacky tracks. Here's my 3 wacky tracks. I like this one because it's Gator colors. So yeah, I have 3 wacky tracks. I love wacky tracks. And then I have 2 snakes. I love snakes too. They're so fun. So yeah, these are my 2 snakes. Then I have my 2 monkey noodles, which I actually traded with my cousin, a purple one. So that one's gone. I have a rainbow poppet. And then what else do I have? I have slime. I have this thinking putty. I don't know if these are fidgets, like slime's a fidget. Comment below if slime's a fidget, or say if slime's a fidget, or how about subscribe? If you subscribe, tell me if slime is a fidget. Please subscribe. Okay, let's get back into the video. So first I have this thing. This thing, it's like, I don't even know if this is a fidget. It says it isn't, but I just put it in my fidget box. It's a pretty cute thing. Then I have my pop tubes, and as you can see, I have tons of pop tubes. I have this one. I'm gonna do that one. Now they also have one, but okay, yeah. Now I have my dinosaur puppet. I love this puppet. It's my favorite. But yeah, I love it. Then I have this. I do not know exactly what this is. Subscribe if you know what it is. Okay, then I have this little chick squishy. This one I call Pikachu. I traded with my other cousin a panda. So these are my 3 squishies. Then I got this bouncy ball she just threw in the back when we were going to a restaurant together. And then I have this ping pong ball. Remember, subscribe if you know what it is. Then I have 3 fidget spinners. Purple, blue, green, and blue. Then I have this middle thing and the bite chain. Bite chain in this. Then I have this. It's a soccer ball and it spins. Okay, then I have this, my favorite. I forgot what these are called. I'm trying to think. Remember, subscribe if you know the name. Then more ping pong balls, which I don't need. And then I have this thing. And then I forgot what these are called. Sorry. I keep forgetting what all my fidgets are called. Remember, subscribe if you know. I have this thing. It sticks to the screen. Ooh. Then I have a little DIY one. Doesn't spin right, but. Then I have my marble mesh. 2 marble mesh. Another slinky with a cow in it. Broken. This fidget you probably never seen, but I got it from school. Look, so you go like this. It like folds. It's so cool. This one's fun. And then I have this little. I forgot. Remember, subscribe. Sorry, I keep saying that, but please subscribe. And then I have this football. Like, these are kind of boring stuff. Another one. Let me stick to the screen. Then I have this. I always forget what these are called. And then this. Woo! Another one. This is nice. Two. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. Please turn on the notifications, post notifications. Please give us a big thumbs up. No thumbs down. Boo. Don't do that. So yeah, peace out.